Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Please make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Share the video as well if you can. Share it to your friends and families. Manchester United. Manchester United. Manchester United. Listen, these man messed up my entire weekend. We have a game Wednesday, so I might recover, but still, the signs are not looking good. Again, it goes back to one thing and one thing only. You know how all the rivals been talking about Manchester United is being saved by the farm of Marcus Rashford? No, Manchester United's prominence in the top of the top four right now is not because of Marcus Rashford. Yes, his goal has been essential. His goals has been essential to us being where we are in the top four. But the main thing, the main reason why Manchester United is playing so well this season is because of Casemiro. As evidence yesterday, Casemiro missing, Manchester United went missing. Casemiro missing, Marcus Rashford nowhere to be found. Casemiro missing, Bruno Fernandes nowhere to be found. Casemiro missing, Scott McTominay dead like dog. It's just the fact the one glue within Manchester United's team right now is Casemiro. And I'm not going to lie to you. What I saw yesterday was utter shambles. Utter shambles. Remember the 7 that we get from Liverpool? At least we created 2 chances in the first half. We didn't create a single chance the whole game against Newcastle, fam. We did not create a single chance against Newcastle the whole game. I don't know if it's post, international break jitters. I don't know why. I don't know what. But Manchester United did not show up yesterday in that game. And again, with the one glue within the team, the one thing that connects the defense to the attack effectively is Casemiro. Manchester United started off with a midfield trio of Bruno in the number 8, Sabitzer in number 6, and McTominay in the number 10. And McTominay playing number 10 is like putting my grandmother out there at 78 years old before she died, fam. He was just missing. It's like asking to cook rice without water. You understand? You cook a bowl of white rice because you want to feed the multitude, but you don't have no water. How it gonna happen? I don't know. Tackles didn't make any. Foul passes didn't make any. Crosses down the flank didn't make any. What was his point of playing in number 10? I don't know. I can't tell you. I cannot tell you right now. I cannot tell you what was his point of playing in number 10. Bruno, he was but again, his passes are going to be null and void if the passes are you're going to, because you have to play from deep. When it comes to Bruno, you can't play up front because no one is there to give him the ball, so he plays from deep, collects the ball from Sabitzer, the defense can't do anything with it. Workhorse is just workhorse. There's no explaining it. Workhorse is just workhorse. It's ineffective as fuck. We know this, but he can connect. He can collect the ball, make a 1, 2, 3 passes. Okay, cool. But he's just workhorse. He's not gonna score. It's not gonna create any chances. It's just workhorse. We saw in the second half when Sancho and Martial came on, they started to do a little thing. Had they gotten more time, maybe bring them on at halftime, maybe things would have been different. We know that the reason why Dalot played yesterday was because Wan-Bissaka was injured. One injured, ill. So okay, we'll take that. But still, fam, Manchester United's team is solely dependent on Casemiro. And we need to get that situation fixed ASAP in order for us to do something in the future. Meaning we need to get another midfielder. We need to get another backup to to Ericsson. We need to get a backup to Bruno. We need to get a striker and another striker. We need to get 3 strikers, fam. Marshall looked good yesterday. Hopefully he stays fit and maybe he can do something towards the end of the season with people. I'm telling you right now, fam, we need to do better for the end of the season because we need to secure the stuff for that way we can focus on next season. But big shout out to David De Gea. Big shout out to David De Gea. You man got 2 love yesterday. It should have been 4 love. So David De Gea, you're getting a new contract. Shout out to Luke Shaw for his new contract. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.